Good morning to all of you. This is Somshekhar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sarambi Government Science College, Bamukate, Bhadravati. Welcome to my fifth session of first order and higher degree differential equations. In the last session, we saw the general and singular solutions of the Clairaut's equations. In this session, we are going to see some equations which are basically not in Clairaut's form, but we can reduce those equations into Clairaut's form by using suitable substitutions. Let me have such equations. Find the general and singular solutions of this equation by using these substitutions. Consider the given equation, call it as 1. And this is the given transformation, x square is equal to u, y square is equal to v. Now, transform the variables x and y completely to the variables u and v in the given equation. It is equally important that we have to transform the derivative p, which is dy by dx, where y and x are involved, into some other derivative involving u and v. We can achieve this like this. Differentiate both sides. 2x into dx is equal to du, 2y into dy is equal to dv. But I have to convert the derivative dy by dx to some other derivative containing v and u. For this, divide this term by this term. Now LHS by LHS, 2 gets cancelled. Y by x into dy by dx is equal to dv by du. Y by x into dy by dx is small p. Now represent this derivative by capital P, where small p is dy by dx and capital P is dv by du. Now small p is equal to cross multiply x by y into capital P. What I have done is, I convert the derivative small p, which is dy by dx, to the derivative capital P, which is in v and u. Now by using these transformations in the equation 1, the equation 1 completely converts to u and v. Let me explain how this happens. X square is u into y minus p is x by y into p. But already x is there. X into x, x square. X square by y into capital P is equal to y into small p square. That means the square of this. X square by y square into capital P square. U into, in this bracket, take y LCM. Y into y square minus x square p is equal to, now multiply the LCM y to the right hand side. Y into y square into x square by y square p square. U into, but y square is v minus x square is u into capital P is equal to, now y square gets cancelled, but x square is u into capital P square. Now this u gets cancelled. Ultimately we have v minus up is equal to p square, or v is equal to up plus p square. Please note this step. Here I am converting the given equation, which is basically not in Clairaut's form, into this equation, which is in Clairaut's form. Here this equation involves in v and u, but not y and x. Here the variables are v and u. And definitely and this is the Claira's equation in V and U. V is equal to UP plus some function of P. In place of, the only difference is, in place of Y we have V, in place of X we have U. Now find the general and singular solution of this equation as in the previous session. Now we have general and singular solutions in V and U only. After that, convert V and U into Y and X, again by using these transformations, so that you get general and singular solutions of the given equation. Now it is time to find general and singular solution of this equation, this Claira's equation. The general solution is just replace P by C. V is equal to UC plus C square. Now it is important to convert V and U in terms of Y and X, because the given equation is in Y and X. So that is why you have to get the solutions in terms of Y and X only. Now V is Y square and U is X square, C plus C square, and this is the general solution of given equation. To find the singular solution, what I have to do is, I have to remove P value between the second equation and this equation. U plus f dash of P is equal to 0. Please note here it is not x plus f dash of P. In place of x we have U. So I have to consider this equation. Consider U plus f dash of P is equal to 0. Find f dash of P value in the right hand side. Now f of P is equal to function of P. It is P square. Differentiate with respect to P. F dash of P is equal to 2P. Now put this value here. U plus 2P is equal to 0. Find P value. Capital P is equal to minus U by 2. Now it is easy to remove P value between this equation and this equation, because I directly have P value. So by substituting P value in this equation 2, definitely P will be eliminated. After substitution of P value, the equation 2 implies V is equal to P is minus U by 2, but U is already there. U into U, U square, minus U square by 2, plus P is minus U by 2, and the square of this is positive of U square by 4. Now 4 is the LCM. Minus 2 is U square plus U square. It will be minus U square by 4. Or 4V plus U square is equal to 0. Now retransform V and U in terms of x and y. 4 into V is y square plus U is x square, and the square of x square is x to the power of 4 is equal to 0. And this is the required singular solution of the given equation. Please do this exercise problem and follow these references. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.